as you guys know, if you've been watching videos, I damaged old Woody pretty good. Blew a tire, ripped the mirror off, screwed the fender up, all by running over that car. The damn sunroof screwed me pretty bad. But lockers and all that good stuff would have helped. Tires are kind of junk anyways, they're out around. I had some Interco super swampers and some slots I picked up off a guy that I believe is subscribed to this channel. He bought a truck off me for his boy back in the day. But anyways, I got those all cleaned up. I got 2 of them balanced. I gotta get 2 more of them balanced. And I still got 1 to mount, which you guys will probably see that. But I got the slots all polished up, ready for old Woody. And I need to get this into the shop. And need to get this other tire on. I took the tire off that I blew when I was trying to run over the Cadillac. And I know you're not supposed to pat sidewalls, but I just need it to last long enough to get it to the shop. It is ugly. Look at this. Oh yeah. It ripped open pretty good. I patched it. It's holding air. We'll get it on the truck. See if it'll last. Even bent the new bumper. But yeah. We'll get it on and see what happens. How's that thing go? Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. All the times I've run over cars, I've never had them end up like this. Oh, take that back. I rolled a Bronco trying this. So I guess the Bronco was worse. Yep. Whew. These things are not light. I tell you, we're smarter. Let's see if the battery's got any life to it. It's been a while. home. Starting a downpour. Alright, see you guys there. Well, in case you're wondering, no, didn't make it all the way. Made it 10 of the 12 miles, and then it blew out. So, good thing I own my own tow truck, or wrecker, whatever you want to call it. Yep, time for the new one. Okay, got you guys situated. Show you guys what I do. There you have it. Well, that dangerous starting fluid, blow them up kind of deal. Not out on the trail or anything. So I got a bead blaster, but that was too big of a gap for a bead blaster to work. Work with me. Come on. It didn't turn out too bad. The way I do it, I'll take a wire brush, clean it all out. Then I'll take 320 sandpaper, hand sand it. Start out 320 after I wire brush them. Go 600, and I'll 1000 grit, wet sand it. And after that, I just use Mother's or some other kind of polish. I'll polish them 2 or 3 times. This is what I get. I could get better, the more if I worked a little more polish and all that good stuff, but it's going on woody. It's good enough. I painted the insides gold. I thought it looked kind of cool, but we're running out of time. We gotta get this to the tire shop. See you at the tire shop, maybe.
More for me to fight with, huh?
Well, these are brand spanking new, so maybe they'll be better. This place used to be packed. I don't know what happened, new owner or something. What happened? This place should be busier than hell.
It was busy earlier.
Oh, okay.
Only because we had almost 800 tires on the road. People knew it. These big tires, they always run about that. We had a guy come in with a Jeep, 4 brand new rims that I took out of the box, 4 brand new tires. They all ran about 10 to 15.
sir. Now, for whatever reason, my phone stopped recording when I was mounting these, but these are 36, 1250, 16.5s. Interco Super Swampers. And that's about the only people I know that sell 16.5s is Interco. So good luck finding any anywhere else. I paid more for these than I did the truck. So if I was ever to have a sponsor, Interco would be the one I want. I'll let that dry. And or well, it looks better, I think, my opinion, than the white ones. But does it ride better? About to find out. All right, see how it rides. Well, it's already better than before. We are good. We can actually run with traffic now. I'm impressed. Road's so much better. Say no, never mind to the bent bumper and the screwed up fender and the missing mirror and the bent door. Yeah. Say no, never mind to that. It wasn't videoed, so it didn't happen. And that should be it for this video. So, see you guys tomorrow.